On this episode, we Esther.
Again. Hi friends, what's up? Hi friends, what's up? Hi friends, what's up?
Hi friends, what's up, everybody?
To take my phone now.
Sorry.
Welcome back to
Iyayiskitchen.
as usual.
I'm Ruth.
And I'm Esther.
So on this episode of Iyayiskitchen, we're going to be making breaded hot dog rolls. This was a family favorite of ours growing up, and we decided to share a little bit of our childhood with you. This is also a very popular pastry back home in Nigeria. Before we get into this video, we want you to subscribe,
Like,
comment,
share,
and follow us on Instagram
at Iyayiskitchen.
_.
Yep.
Let's get into it. In a large mixing bowl, you want to add some flour, some salt, and some yeast. Ensure that the yeast is on one side and the sugar and the salt is on one side, sorry. Then add in your sugar and mix all the dry ingredients together. The reason why we add the salt and the yeast separately on both sides of the end is because if you add salt directly on yeast, it kind of deactivates the yeast or like kills the yeast or whatever, which is why we add them on two separate sides. But then once we add in the sugar, we can then mix everything together. And then you want to get some warm milk, add that to your dry ingredients and incorporate all of that properly. Then get some softened butter and mix that properly together. We kneaded our dough in the bowl. You can also just lightly flour surface area and knead that as well.
Well, I was lazy, that's why I went in the bowl.
Right. So knead that for about 5-10 minutes. The way you know that your dough is properly kneaded is if you touch your dough, it should spring back up. Then oil your bowl and oil your dough as well. Oil your bowl, put your dough in the bowl if it wasn't already in the bowl. Oil the dough as well, cover with cling film and leave to rise in a warm area for about an hour. After an hour, you then want to give that dough another 2 minutes on a surface area. Knead the dough for about 2 minutes. And then I divided my dough into 10, weighing about 50 grams each. You then want to roll your dough 2 times longer than your hot dogs. If you see, I put the hot dog and it literally was like 2 times longer than the hot dogs. Now what you want to do is get one end of your dough, put it on one end of your hot dog, roll it the first time. Then you want to leave quite a big space between the first roll and the second roll, and then keep rolling to the end. On 3 of our hot dogs, we wanted to give it a little bit of a oomph. So what we did was we used cheese slices. I cut quite a big chunk of the cheese slices just so that the cheese is a nice size for the hot dog. We did the same thing. So we took one end of our dough, rolled it the first time, gave it a little bit of a gap, and then kept rolling it. Now the reason for this gap is because where it's Halloween, end of October, and we want these hot dogs to look mommy-ish, so like mummified hot dog, I guess. Well, we'll see if it works, but that's the reason for this space. If it's not Halloween and you want to make this, just keep rolling it. You don't need to leave any gap. Just keep rolling it till you get to the end of your dough. So do this all 10 times. If you don't want any cheese, don't put any cheese in it. And if you want cheese in all 10 of your hot dogs, go ahead, put cheese in that.
If you want to be extra, you could add sauce in between the
cheese.
Or just on the bread itself and then roll it round.
Yeah, honestly.
It's like, actually not on the bread, on the sauce, on the hot dogs. Then roll the bread down there.
Yeah.
And it's really nice.
Or we liked it nice and simple because, we like it nice and simple.
Actually, I like it with the sauce, but to be very honest, it's very hard to try and get the sauce on the hot dogs and roll it around. But you have a go at that and let us know how it comes out.
Yeah. Once we've rolled all our hot dogs, we want to put them on grease-proof paper. Before you put your hot dogs on the grease-proof paper, oil it a little bit just so that at the end of, once it's done baking, it doesn't stick to the grease-proof paper. And then once you put all your hot dogs on your grease proof paper. You want to leave it to proof again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, egg wash it, put it in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, leave it to cool for about 5-7 minutes. Dump them in some ketchup, and you have yourself a banging breaded hot dog roll. There you have it. Juice this up Halloween style. It can also be Christmas style. Honestly, it can fit into whatever holiday you want to make this. And if you don't want to make this holiday, it can literally fit into whatever time of the year you want to make this. And it's a fantastic snack for your kids, if you have kids, for yourself, and for whoever, honestly, your family, your friends. Let us know if you try this in the comments, and
send us pictures as well if you do try it on Instagram, and tag us in the pictures that you make.
We would love to see your bakes.
Yes.
See you guys next week for another amazing video. Adios. I like to speak Spanish. I'm learning it. Ta ta ta. Make you more tired.
Nope.
Energy, 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 energy.
You can't use a spoon. Don't use your hand.
No, use your hand.
I don't need to use my hand, Ruth. I honestly don't need to use my hand.
If I didn't have nails, I would have done it. I'm actually going
to. This rubbish.
I'm actually going to.
Bloody hate dough, man.
But you like to eat it though.
Duh. Can't. Honestly can't.
Let's start finish it. Please.
Oh, my name is the mommy. Oh.
Add the butter now.
No, don't add butter now.
When should we add butter?
When I'm ready. When I've mixed it properly.